Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Veo watermark on the videos that you're going to be creating in your Veo Free Flow AI, okay? So I have a movie that I'm working on, and I'm going to show you the two options that you can do, okay? And all right, so this is part one. You can see this one has a Veo seal on it on the bottom right. Okay, though in my project, the watermarks, I have no issue actually having them because I do horrors, but I usually use Veo. Okay, so there are two options. The first option is you're going to use a default Windows software, which is called, I think it's called Chip. All right, I think it's called video editor, Clip. All right, I think it's called Clip. All right, it's called Microsoft Clipchamp. All right, it's a free software. It always comes in Windows. All right, all my movies, I'm using the software. Even actually movies that you're going to find on my YouTube, I use that software. I don't use any other software. I just use the default software. Even actually this movie that is on my YouTube, you see that I use actually that editor to do this video, to kind of connect this video. Okay, so Veo is kind of simple, and I'm going to show you the options that you can use to kind of remove the Veo free watermark. So in this software, you kind of say create a new video, right? So you just click on this. So we're going to import the video, all right? So let me first go to View, then I try to kind of download a fresh one. I think this, okay, let me just download this, all right? Upscaling will take me time, so let me just download that, okay, because we just practicing. Let me just download this. Okay, so let me go here, import media, and it's there, all right? So when you put it first comes here, when you want to put it on the working canvas, you just click on plus, and the size will be detected, and it's here. So this is, okay. But the issue is, as you see, there is kind of that Veo there. So what I do in the software is I can try to touch on the corners, then I try to scale this video like this so that the watermark can go off, right? Something like that. So when I'm playing this video, you don't see the watermark. Let me try to play it from the start. Okay. So this is how the first way you can do this. The software is free. Okay. The software is free for use, and it's what actually for me I'm using for editing. Right. I just find it kind of simple. Right. Now the second option is you may use a third-party software, another AI. It's called Halel. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this, but it's Hell AI. Okay. I usually use this AI sometimes for scenes which have failed to work in Veo. Maybe there is just restriction or something. I usually use this. Now, this software, these AIs are many, but make sure the one that you may want to use has a model for Veo free. So this one has Veo free. Okay. So if sometimes I don't want to work within Veo free directly, I go to this third party, then I switch to Veo free, then I create the same scene. And in here, the good thing is you can download this video without actually, they give you option to remove the watermark, with the watermark, without the watermark, okay? So I can download this without the watermark. That is how I can end up with that video without watermark. Though if you use this option too, you may have to get a subscription from these guys. So let me try to play this. So this one doesn't have any watermark. All right, something like that. So here this side, so I just use sometimes another kind of AI to create that scene. All right, maybe that movie. But if you have to do with action number 2, it means you'll be accessing view free through another AI. There are so many AIs which have view free model. Okay, like this one and the others, depends on what you prefer. But most of my movies, I usually either use view free direct on flow, or I just use this. So that's how I actually deal away with watermarks. And I've done a lot of movies with this software, a lot of them, and that is how I managed to remove all the watermarks. So view free in third-party AI programs, you have option to remove it. That is actually the cool thing. But if you're using view free directly under Flow, you won't actually be able to download without the watermark. You have to use another third party to remove. You have to use a software to remove that watermark, or just use view free in another AI program. Okay. So let me see you in the next video. For some of you who are interested in more videos about AI, creating AI, and solving issues during AI video creation, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Let me know how it goes.